Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with another Diwali special recipe. Here we are with another Diwali recipe. Today we are going to make a unique recipe for many such occasions. A quick, easy and a royal sweet is the best. Today we are going to make Loki Barfi, bottle gourd barfi. We have seen so many barfi, but this barfi is truly mouth-watering dessert. It has a creamy crystal texture and loved by all. It's not just a simple sweet but a healthy sweet. We have tried Loki halwa many times, but Loki barfi needs to be a must try for this Diwali Bhoga offerings. So let's get started. Here I have taken 1.5 kg of bottle gourd or Loki. I have washed it well. This is not a harder bottle gourd, it has less seeds within. Now remove its ends. Now peel it. I have peeled it. Let me show you. Here there are no many seeds and they are tiny. If you have a bottle gourd with big and many seeds, then eliminate that part. Here I have peeled the bottle gourd. Next take a grater. It has a larger and smaller size. For making the barfi, we will use the smaller size. Now grate the bottle gourd. In the same way, we will grate all the bottle gourd. We have got our grated bottle gourd ready. Now take a bowl and handful of grated bottle gourd. Squeeze all the water well from the grated bottle gourd. This step is important as it ensures that barfi cooks fast. Similarly, squeeze all the bottle gourds. You can see these are dry enough now. Next, take a pan. Into this add 2 tablespoons of ghee. The ghee has melted. Now add the squeezed Loki or bottle gourd. Stir it well and let the bottle gourd cook on low flame until the water evaporates. We will continue this process for 5 minutes. It has been 5 minutes. Now add 2 cups of milk. Mix it well. Stir the mixture constantly until all the milk is absorbed. Milk gives a rich creamy flavor to the barfi. We need to cook this until the milk simmers and the mixture thickens. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. After 10 minutes, you can observe the consistency is thickening. In this, the bottle gourd softens and gets well cooked in milk. Next, add 1 cup of sugar. Combine it well until all the sugar mixes well along with the bottle gourd. Stir continuously. The sugar have dissolved and combined thoroughly. Here the milk and the melted sugar must get well incorporated to a thick consistency. Now mix continuously on medium flame and stir to avoid the mixture from burning. After 10 minutes you can observe the quantity has reduced. Next add 200 gram of khova. I have cut it into pieces, add it. Mix all this again. We will cook this mixture until all the khova combines extremely well. I have shared the instant khova recipe and the traditional recipe of preparing khova too previously. You can find their links in the description box below. I have shared many Diwali special recipes and created a playlist too. I have shared its link in the description box below. The khova has mixed well. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now mix it well. We will have to cook it further until this mixture leaves the edges of the pan. If you are stirring it continuously on low flame, then it will take 5 to 7 minutes. Now you can see the mixture is leaving its edges. Note that you don't turn off the flame early. Let the mixture release the pan on its own. This is the perfect consistency. This is ready. Now add half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds, 1 tablespoon of chopped pistachios, 1 tablespoon of dried rose petals. These are optional. Mix all this well. Since Loki Barfi is soft, the nuts add an amazing crunch to the barfi. This has mixed well. Now turn off the flame. I have greased a plate with ghee. I have transferred this mixture and level it using a spatula. This is done. Now garnish it with using chopped almonds. Now garnish it using some pistachios. Garnish it using some rose petals. Give it gentle taps with the spatula so that the dry fruit sticks well. Barfi is ready. Let the barfi cool for 3 to 4 hours undisturbed. After 4 hours, our barfi has set well. In this recipe, we have not added any artificial color, yet it has a beautiful color. Let's cut it. It depends on you how big barfi you want. I have cut all of them. Let me show you first. I will remove these pieces so that we can easily remove others. You can see how easily this is coming out. It is because we had cooked it well till end. This is perfect. I have removed all the pieces. Now place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Our Diwali special bottle gourd burfi is offered and ready. Do try it and let me know how it came for you. If you like Boga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Boga recipe. Hare Krishna, Hare Bol.